Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create account on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create account on Bigo Live. Maybe because you have heard a lot about this app, or maybe you just want to go for the live streamings, or maybe your friends use it a lot so you want to give it a try, or it could be any other reason for you to create account on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First thing, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see that we get some option through which we can create our account. First, you can use your contact number, you can use Gmail ID, Apple ID, and there are other options as well through which you can use your social media accounts to create. So you can choose any one of these options. You just have to tap onto that option, and after that you have to enter your email address here, and your account will be created on Bigo Live. So here first you will read the title of Welcome to Bigo Live. That means your account has been created. Now you just have to simply set up. So here we have this option of camera. If you tap onto that option, through that option you have to upload a profile picture. We get two options: take photo, that means camera will open and you will click a picture at the moment, or with the second option your mobile phone photo gallery will open and from there you will select any picture of your choice. You can also skip that option and later on work onto it. And there we get this option through which if you want to edit your name you can do that, and if you don't want that you can go with this one by just tapping onto this option which is at the bottom which says next. So just simply click on next. After that it will ask you for this option. You may allow it or skip it, and after that it will ask you to choose your gender. Here four genders, or you could say four options are available, so you can go with any one of these options whichever you prefer. You can go with that, and after that it will ask you to add your birthday. So here what you have to do is that first you have to select the date, then month, and then the year in which you were born. And once you're done with these things, just simply click on save, and after that you have to click on this option, and now it will show you some of the people. You may follow them or may skip to them. It's all up to you. Whatever you feel about that, you can go with that option. And there you can see your account will be created. Now you can watch live streams, you can do live streams, can post anything, or whatever you feel about this app you can do with this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create account on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.